Hi students, let's start with the drafting of trouser block. So these are the measurements that I have taken. Today we are going to draft for the personal measurements. So waist measurement 78 centimeters, hip measurement 96 centimeters, waist to hip 18 centimeters, body raise 25 centimeters, waist to floor 103 centimeters, trouser bottom width 18 centimeters and waistband 3 centimeters. So for these measurements, now we are going to draft life size pattern for trouser. So these are the construction steps. So I have calculated for the personal measurements, I have calculated all the steps for the front initially. Later we will be calculating for back also. So I have calculated for the personal measurements all the steps related to front draft. Now first we will start the front drafting for the trouser. Take one full brown sheet and fold the brown sheet vertically half. Okay. At the center, crease like this. Fold it and crease. Then we will get a crease line at the center. So on this crease formed, we will be drawing the center line for the trouser. So like that I have folded and creased. On the crease line, you are going to draw a perpendicular line using your L scale. Right? So draw a perpendicular line. On the crease line form, almost till the end of the brown sheet, you can extend this line down. Right? Now at the center, starting point, mark as 0. So you can leave a small gap at the starting of the brown sheet. Now, so after drawing a line, mark the first point as 0, then from the point 0, square across. Towards the left side and towards the right side. From point number 0. Right? Now we will follow these steps. So 0 to 1 is body rise minus waistband. So which is 25 minus 3, 22 centimeter. We are marking 0 to 1. And then 0 to 2, waist to hip minus waistband, which is 15 centimeters. And 0 to 3, waist to floor minus waistband, which is 100 centimeters. Then 1 to 4, you are marking half of 1 to 3 minus 5 centimeters. And then you are squaring across after each level. Right? So we will do the steps now. So 0 to 1 is 22 centimeters. From 0, mark a point at 22 centimeters, and 0 to 2 is 15 centimeters. You are marking a point, and then 0 to 3, length minus waistband, which is 100 centimeters. You are marking. Right? So this is 0 to, okay. 0 to 2 is waist to hip minus waistband, which is 15 centimeters. Then 0 to 3 is trouser length, which is 103 minus waistband, 103 minus 3, 100 centimeters. You are marking this as 3. Now 1 to 4 is half of 1 to 3. That means you need to measure 1 to 3, which is 78 centimeters. Divided by 2 is 39 centimeters. Half of 1 to 3 minus 5 centimeters, which is 39 minus 5, 34 centimeters is 1 to 4. So you are marking a point at 34 centimeters from 1. So and mark this as 4. Now after marking 1, 2, 3 and 4, from each point square across either side. towards left side from 1 and towards right side from 1 you are squaring across. So while squaring across, make sure you are aligning the vertical part of the scale to the center line that we have drawn. Right, from 1 square across either sides, from 2 square across either sides, from 3 square across either sides, and from 4 square across either sides towards the left and towards the right. Right, now 0 is the waist level, 2 is a hip level, 1 is crotch level, 4 is knee level, and 3 is the bottom level. Right, so after marking till 4, we are marking point number 5 onwards. So these are the construction steps and calculations for 1 to 5, 6 to 8, 5 to 9, 7 to 10. Right, now we will follow these steps. So 1 to 5 is 1/12 of hip measurement plus 0.5 centimeter towards the left side from point number 1, which is 8.5 centimeters. So from 1, mark a point at 8.5 centimeters, give this as point number 5. Now from 5 you are squaring up, square up from 5 till the waistline, and here where it meets the hip line, mark this as point number 6, and where it meets the waistline, mark as point number 7. Now 6 to 8 is 1/4 of hip measurement, which is 96 by 4, which is 24 centimeters. So from 6 towards the right you are marking 24 centimeters. This is point number 8. Now 5 to 9 towards the left side is 1/16 of hip. So 96 by 16 is 6 centimeters. So mark a point from 5 towards the left side 6 centimeter and mark this as point number 9. Now 7 to 10 is 1.5 centimeters towards the right side. This is point number 10. Now you are marking a guide point. Mark a guide point A from 5 diagonally, right? So from 5 you are marking diagonally a point. So for sizes 6 to 14 you are marking 3 centimeters from point 5, whereas for sizes 16 to 24 you are marking 3.25 from point number 5. Now the size of the pattern that we are doing is size 12, because the hip size is 96 centimeter, it is size 12. So we need to mark 3 centimeters from point number 5. You can mark this as point number A. Right? Now you are joining 10 to 6 and you are joining 6 to 9 with a curve touching guide point A. Right? Now you can use a scale from 10 to 6 and use French curve for joining 6, 8 and 9 like this. This is your crotch line, right? Then Next steps, you are marking 10 to 11, 3 to 12, 4 to 13, 3 to 14 and 4 to 15. Right? Now first 10 to 11 is 1/4 of waist plus 2.25 centimeter you are adding to that. So in this 2 centimeter is for dart and 0.25 centimeter is for ease. So which is 78 by 4 plus 2.25, 21.75 towards the right direction. From 10 you are marking, right? So which is 21.75. From 10 you are marking point number 11. Now 3 to 12, half of trouser bottom width minus 0.5 centimeter, which is 8.5 centimeter towards the right direction. From 3 is at the bottom level. So from 3 you are marking 8.5 centimeters. This is point number 12. Now 4 to 13 is the measurement of 3 to 12 plus 0.5. So the measurement of 3 to 12 is 8.5. Then to that you are adding 1.5, which is 10 centimeter. So this is point number 13. Right? Now 3 to 14, again half of trouser bottom width minus 0.5 centimeter, which is 8.5 centimeter. This is point number 14. Right? Again, now 4 to 15 is the measurement of 3 to 14 plus 1.5, which is 10 centimeter. So you are marking 10 centimeter from 4. Right? This is point number 15. After marking 15, you are going to join 9 to 15, 15 to 14. You are going to join in seam and out seam. Then after that you will be constructing a dart. So let's see how to do that. So join 9 to 15 using the leg curve or hip curve. So place the scale. The straight end of the scale should be towards 15 to 14 line. So join slide curve, right? And you are using a straight scale to join 15 and 14. 15 and 14 straight line. Now you are joining 11 to 8 using the hip curve. 11 to 8 is a waist to hip curve, right? Now from 8 to 13, flip your scale like this, then join it to point number 13 by flipping the hip curve like this. Then you are joining 13 to 12 straight line. Right? This is inside inwards curve and this is a straight line. So after drawing the out seam, you are going to mark a dart at point number 0. So either side of 0 mark 1 centimeter towards the right and 1 centimeter towards the left, and you are marking a dart length of 7 centimeter, and then you are joining the dart. Okay, so after that you are writing the pattern information. This is your trouser front part and size 12 for hip measurement of 96. So it is size 12. Then you are going to cut 2 such pieces and the grain line is straight grain line. So this is your trouser front. Now you will be drafting trouser back part. So to draft trouser back part, you will be cutting and separating trouser front along these lines. Cut here, you will be cutting here along the outseam. Along the crotch line, point number 10, 6, A and 9 will be